Welcome to Tech Talk with Nathan. If you are here, you are interested in the topics that are related to DevOps and SRE. Today, we are going to talk about GitOps, as you see on the presentation. First of all, what if Git was the only place you needed to deploy application to Kubernetes? No kubectl apply, no manual change, no guessing what's running in your cluster. That's GitOps. In this video, I will explain what GitOps really is, and then I will show you a live demo where changing Git. If you are working with Kubernetes, this is a game changer. Let's start. So here, Git is as a source of truth. A developer make a change, commit in Git repository, and then Argo CD here specifically will pull the changes and apply them to Kubernetes cluster. And role of Git here is, instead of manually changing things in Kubernetes, you describe the desired state of your system using declarative configuration, usually in YAML file, and store in Git. Git doesn't describe what you did, it describes what should be running. And so what happened is the GitOps tool continuously compares what's running in the cluster with what defined in Git and automatically reconcile the difference. If Git changes, the cluster updates. If someone changes the cluster manually, GitOps fix the drift. So you see here that the role of Argo CD controller is to operate in a pool-based model to ensure secure and reliable synchronization between Git and the Kubernetes cluster. Now, what we have here is that deployment is automated. There's no manual change. The only thing that you need to do is to make a change in Git repository, and it will trigger synchronization in your cluster. So another benefit is you have drift management easily. Your tool here, Argo CD, will automatically fix any drift and make your cluster consistent. Before GitOps, most teams deploy things like run a kubectl apply, someone else hot fixes production. Nobody knows exactly what changes. With GitOps, everything goes through Git. That means full audit. And everything is done in pull request. Someone create a pull request, and then someone else review. You merge on your main branch. Argo CD will take the changes, synchronize with the Kubernetes cluster. In the live demo, you need three things. You need a Kubernetes cluster. Here we are using Minikube, and the setup works for any other Kubernetes tool. And then you have to have a version control system, and here we are using GitHub. You can use also any other else. And then we have Argo CD install. Let's start our demo.